This is a quick update on the flooding in North Houston area, North Houston and South Spring. This is North Hills Estate, which is just south of Spring High School, and the flooding starts down in the deeper areas of this estate. And I wasn't able to go all the way in, but a neighbor there for 22 years had said this is the worst it's ever been that he's ever seen. And the flooding is probably about a foot in some of these homes at the top level. That house right there across the street is flooded. And then if you go down in further, some of these homes that are down in lower areas have 7 to 8 feet of water and are nearly touching the tops of the roofs. So flooding is quite extensive in this area. This next area is in North Inverness Forest in North Houston, and I was standing on the levee here taking this video. These houses are significantly lower than the water level.
This is Cypress Creek.
And the water level is up. It rises by about 7 more feet, 8 more feet. These houses down in this lower lying area of Inverness Forest are definitely going to be in trouble. So
about 7 more feet, and this thing's going to crest. And it's going to be a disaster for these homes in Inverness Forest over here. You can see how much lower they are.
6:15 p.m. on Sunday evening, the first day of heavy rain.
They're saying 2 more days of rain.
And, we're supposed to have 2 more days of this.
That could be in trouble if this thing crests. That's a lot of water. Highest I've ever seen it for sure.